It is the end of the month, and I will be posting the end of the month results video here shortly, but this is the AI bot video that has been requested. So I'd like to show you guys real quickly how to set up your AI bot. Once you're logged into the Cryptohopper, you're at your dashboard. So what you need to do is you need to go to your strategies. And then once you're on your strategies, you'll see my strategies, which are strategies that you've built. You'll see market strategies, which are strategies that I've purchased in the marketplace, which is right here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Your strategies and your signals are what you purchase from the marketplace. And then your algorithm intelligence, or AI, is your bot that you can set up that will basically be a strategy that you load here under your base configuration under strategy. So instead of using a store bot or market bot strategy such as this here, you would instead load the one that you've built here. And so what you do is you go back to your strategies and you go back to your algorithm intelligence and you would create new strategy. So I've already created one, so I'm just going to show you what mine looks like. So making an AI bot is very simple. There's not a lot to it. You simply go to your sources, you select your signal strategies, your trend strategies, your signalers, and if you use TradingView integration, you can always also integrate that as well. I use all of them, but let me show you. So when you load them, make sure and load strategies under signal strategies. Make sure and load trend strategies under trend. Otherwise your bot won't work, and I had to learn that the hard way. So just make sure when you load your strategies appropriately. This is a signal, so that would be loaded here. And then of course signal, and then strategies, and then trend. So remember, signal, trend, signal. So this is a little bit misleading, but this is where you load your strategies, this is where you load your trend, and this is where you load your signalers. So strategy goes to the first slot, signalers is the second, and then trend is the last. And I'm a big fan of two strategies that you can purchase. I'll show you real quick what they are. Oh. Dexstrats.com they have great strategies, and then you also have Killer Whale Crypto. So these are the two that I use the most. You can find these in the marketplace, or you can just go on their websites to learn more. But anyway, so here's what you do: is you load all these strategies, and what will happen is your bot, your AI bot, will then score each strategy based on the history of the strategies. So I only use scores of 80 and above. So even though I have all of these loaded in here, my bot will only run buying signals from anything that's above 80. So right now it'll only do recognize buying signals here, 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 all the way up here. And if the signals come in at below 80, it'll ignore them, the buy signals on these strategies. So the way you do that, well, let me jump ahead of myself. So you load the strategies here and the signals. Then you need to train your coins. You need to select your exchange and each coin, and you click learn, and they'll appear down here. And they'll sit there, and the AI engine will queue them, and then it will train them, and then it will complete them, and it'll basically learn your exchange and your coin pair, and that way your bot will become more intelligent. So once all of those steps have been completed, you're pretty much done with building your bot. So then what you need to do is you need to go load it over here. So you load it, in this case my AI bot, and you have to have the Hero subscription that's $99 a month. Otherwise Cryptohopper won't let you load your AI bots. That's the only downside, but I think the functionality is definitely worth it. So you can select your number of targets to buy here. I've got 10 selected, and then your minimum score for buys. Right now I've got it set at 80. I had it set at 90, but I wasn't getting enough buys, so I've lowered it to 80, and I want to see how that does for me. But again, you can play